Hi, I'm Katrina Kennedy. I want to show you how to check accessibility in PowerPoint. It's a couple of steps that will help make all of your documents much more accessible. So to get started, we're going to go to the Review tab and we're going to select Check Accessibility. Let me go ahead and do that with you. So we go to Review and then Check Accessibility. That's going to open up the accessibility window. And you'll notice on the accessibility window, there are 4 categories that it's checking. It's checking for errors, warnings, tips, and intelligent services. And we can just work our way down this to fix any of the problems. So let's start with the first error. We're going to click on that, and it's going to go directly to the slide with the error. And this is a content placeholder missing the object description. So it's going to tell you why you need to fix it and the steps to fix it. So we can go to Alt Text, and that will open up the Alt Text window, and we can either generate it and we get our description, or we can mark it as decorative. I'm going to go ahead and leave the generated description here, and I'm going to take this line away because I've checked it now. Then I'm going to go back to the accessibility window, and you'll notice the error is missing. So I've corrected it. Then I go to the next one, missing slide title, click on it, and then fix that with a title that is descriptive, steps to check accessibility. Once I have that, again, it'll disappear. So the same with warnings, click on it, it takes me to the slide that has the issue. Now this is a text contrast issue, and it's a warning, not an error. And that's because it really is helpful if you use a contrast checker to make sure that your contrast is good enough for someone with limited vision. So PowerPoint's just giving you that warning. It's not actually checking it for you. It's not an error like the previous ones. Then in the tips, it's telling us we have a duplicate slide title. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take me to the slide that has the duplicate title. I can change it, and then that tip is going to disappear as well. So warnings won't disappear. Tips and errors will. And then finally, intelligent services. So like we've done before, I'm going to click on the slide that has the issue, and it tells me to review the auto-generated description. Anytime AI writes a description for your images in PowerPoint, it is going to come up as an intelligence service notification so that you check it as well. So let's go ahead and check that alt text. A small corgi puppy dog standing on gravel. I think that's a pretty good description for this image. So I'm going to go ahead and take the description automatically generated away so that someone doesn't have to hear that. I've checked it. Then you'll see that that has gone away and no longer is giving it to me as a notification. So that is the accessibility checker in PowerPoint. It's a powerful tool to learn what to watch for and also to make sure your decks are accessible. I hope this was helpful. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.